Hi there, welcome to the UXF channel and welcome to this demonstration of my chord melody arrangement of the English folk song, Ah Poor Bird. This is available for free at my website at uxstuff.info. It's also going to be available or is available in a collection of those songs as well that you can purchase at buymeacoffee.com, Apple Books, Amazon Kindle, and in print from Amazon. In this video, first of all, I'll demonstrate the song on GCEA ukulele. Then I'll demonstrate on baritone DGBE ukulele. Then I'll do a tutorial for GCEA ukulele, and then a tutorial for baritone DGBE ukulele. All right, let's walk through the song or do a tutorial on GCEA ukulele. Really, we're going to be jumping around a lot of different formations of G minor on this song. We're going to start with a G minor that's played with the first finger on the 3rd string 2nd fret, and then fingers 2 and 3 on strings 4 and 2 at the 3rd fret. Just play strings 4, 3, and 2. First string open, then a standard G minor chord. That chord again. First string 3rd fret, then go up to the 5th fret with the first finger, and then the 2nd finger goes on the 2nd string 6th fret, and the ring finger goes on the 3rd string 7th fret. Just play strings 3, 2, and 1. Play that one again. Now, what I've been having the best success with here then is jumping up to the 1st string 10th fret with my pinky and playing 2 of those down to the 9th fret, and then barring at the 10th fret, strings 1, 2, and 3 at the 10th fret, pull against the fretboard, and then add your thumb for some light support. Then quickly down, 1st string 5th fret, 1st string 3rd fret, G minor chord, D chord, and then that G minor that we started with, where the first finger is right in the right spot, if you play the D chord like I do. I play the D chord, by the way, a little bit like a G7, if that makes sense. So my first finger plays the 3rd string 2nd fret, and my other 2 fingers go around it. But I've got that D chord, and then I can just slide down and play that G minor the way that I did in the first measure. Then that whole thing is going to repeat. So that G minor there, 1st string open, full G minor chord. Do it again. 1st string 3rd fret, then up to the 5th fret, add 2 fingers, play strings 3, 2, 1. Play it again. 1st string 10th fret, again, 9th fret, bar at the 10th fret, 1st string 5th fret, 1st string 3rd fret, then G minor chord, D chord, the way that I play it, strings 4, 3, and 2, and then slide down, strings 4, 3, and 2 with that final G minor chord. And that's Ah Poor Bird on GCEA ukulele. Now let's do a tutorial or walkthrough on baritone DGBE ukulele. This is going to be a lot of the D minor chord in different positions on your ukulele. So the first finger is going to go on the 3rd string 2nd fret, and then fingers 2 and 3 are going to go on the 4th and 2nd string at the 3rd fret. And then you're just going to play strings 4, 3, and 2. 1st string open, normal D minor chord. Play that again. 1st string 3rd fret, and then the 1st finger goes on the 1st string 5th fret. Then you add 2 fingers for a little bit of a waterfall down. So my 2nd finger's on the 2nd string 6th fret, my ring finger's on the 3rd string 7th fret. Play strings 3, 2, and 1. Play that again. Then my pinky goes up to the 1st string 10th fret, play 2 of those. My ring finger comes down to the 1st string 9th fret. Then I bar at the 10th fret, strings 3, 2, and 1. 1st string 5th fret, 1st string 3rd fret, D minor chord, A chord. I play A chord a little differently. I put my first finger at the top of the third string second fret, and my other two fingers around it, sort of like a D7. And then I just slide down, and I've got that D minor ready to go. Again, that's that same chord at the beginning of the song. First finger on the third string second fret, and fingers 2 and 3 on the fourth and second strings at the third fret, strings 4, 3, and 2. Then that whole thing just repeats again. So you've got your D minor like we just made, strings 4, 3, and 2. First string open, regular D minor chord. Happens again. First string third fret up to the fifth fret. Strings 3, 2, and 1. Played again. Pinky comes down on the first string 10th fret. Happens twice. First string 9th fret. Then bar at the 10th fret. Strings 3, 2, and 1. First string 5th fret. First string 3rd fret. D minor. A chord. D minor chord. Strings 4, 3, and 2. And that's Ah Poor Bird on baritone DGBE ukulele. Thank you so much for joining me for this demonstration and tutorial of Ah Poor Bird, one of my chord melody arrangements, available for free at ukestuff.info. Also as a part of a collection that can be found at buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff, Apple Books, Amazon Kindle, and in print from Amazon. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.